Welcome to our Brand Emergency Preparedness series. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of protecting your brand, backing up your files. In our digital age, your brand's assets, customer data, and important documents are often stored electronically. Losing this information could be catastrophic. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through a simple yet effective backup process. Number 1, choosing a hard drive. When it comes to backing up your files, you have two main options: external hard drives and cloud storage. External hard drives offer physical control over your data and are great for large file backups. Cloud storage, on the other hand, provides accessibility from anywhere and often includes automatic backups. For external hard drives, consider storage capacity. A good rule of thumb is to choose a drive with at least twice the storage of the device you're backing up. For most small to medium-sized businesses, a 1 to 4 terabyte drive would suffice. Number 2, setting up your backup. Let's walk through the process of setting up your backup. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Most modern operating systems will recognize it immediately. For Windows users, use Backup in the Start menu and select Backup Settings. Click on Add a Drive and select your external drive. Then, click More Options to choose which folders to back up. Mac users, open System Preferences and select Time Machine. Click Select Backup Disk and choose your external drive. Both systems allow you to decide which files and folders to include. Always ensure you're backing up all your brand-related files, customer data, and any other crucial business information. Now let's talk about best practices. To ensure your backups are always current and accessible, set a regular backup schedule. Daily or weekly backups are recommended for businesses. Store at least one backup off-site or use cloud storage for added security. Regularly test your backups by restoring a few files to ensure they're working correctly. Remember, the best backup is the one you actually do. Automate the process when possible to ensure it happens consistently. By following these steps, you're taking a crucial step in protecting your brand. Regular backups ensure that even in the face of hardware failure, cyber attacks, or other unforeseen circumstances, your important files and data remain safe and accessible. This preparedness allows you to focus on what really matters: growing and nurturing your brand. Stay tuned for our next video on another essential aspect of brand protection. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.